Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam. This is Amit Kapoor. Today I'm going to talk about weekly prediction from 25th of January 2021 to 31st of January 2021. You know very well, my all predictions are based on your ascendant sign, nothing to do with your moon sign or zodiac sign. Just follow your ascendant sign and watch my video. You will definitely get some information related to your ascendant sign that will make your life easy and better. So let's start for the Aries ascendants. Aries ascendants, this whole week from 25th of Jan 2021 to 31st of Jan 2021, your ascendant's Lord transit in your first house. Jupiter Saturn combust in 10th house. Sun is also transit in your 10th house, and Venus is enter in your 10th house from 28th of Jan 2021. You need to be careful while signing any documents. You need to be careful while signing any new deal. This is not right time to investing your money in anywhere. There is no doubt Ascendant's Lord is in very strong position in your first house, but I would suggest you don't invest your money because your 9th house Lord Jupiter combusts. Your 10th and 11th house Lord Saturn combust. So this is not a right time in the terms of profession. You need to be careful while talking with your seniors at your workplace. You need to be careful while talking with your business partners because you will be a part of any problem. This whole week from 25th of Jan 2021 to 31st of Jan 2021, you are not feeling comfortable, you are not feeling happy, you are feeling very down and very upset because your work is not, you are not performing your best as per your plan because major planet of dynamics like Jupiter, Saturn, they are combust in your Karam Bhav, in your 10th house. 10th house is a house of your business, profession, job, father, karma, fame, name, prosperity. And 11th house is a house of your good gains. 11th house is a house of fruit from your which you get from your hard work. 11th house is a house of earning which you get from your workplace. So 10th Lord and 11th Lord being a Saturn combust in your 10th house. 9th Lord and 12th Lord Jupiter combust in your 10th house. So Venus is also transit in your 10th house. You need to be careful while talking with your spouse. Health of your spouse will be matter of concern. Monday and Tuesday, you need to be careful while talking with your seniors at workplace. You need to be careful while talking with your spouse. Health of your spouse will be matter of concern. Wednesday and Thursday, you are feeling bit better and relaxed. Some monetary transactions will make you happy, which is connected with foreign land. Some foreign small orders will make you happy. But this whole week brings a lot of up and down for you. You are not in a comfort zone. You are feeling very upset and disturbed. Mars is in first house. This is one of the ultimate position of the Mars. But you are in aggression. You are in tension without any reason. Because Mars is a planet of energy, and when Mars transit an Aries sign or Scorpio sign in transit, it will always extend your energy. You need to be careful while talking with others. Don't show your ego or attitude. Try to be humble and polite in front of everyone. Aries, this whole week from 25th of Jan 2021 to 31st of Jan 2021. You need to focus on your things, try to perform your best at your workplace and give your respect to your elders at your home. Otherwise, you will be a part of any problem or litigation. Things is not working as per your expectation. Don't try to invest your money anywhere. This is not a right time, Aries. This whole week brings mixed fruit for you. Weekend will be ultimate, but you are feeling disturbed and upset because your seniors are demanding more efforts from your side at workplace, and you are trying to deliver your best, and after that you are not achieve your goals because Jupiter Saturn is combust. Major planet of the solar system is combust in your 10th house. Now I'm going to talk about Taurus ascendants. Taurus ascendants from 25th of Jan 2021 to 31st of Jan 2021. One of the biggest change, your ascendant's Lord transit in your 9th house from 28th of January 2021 to 21st of Feb 2021. You will enter in a very eventful period of your life. Some unexpected money will make you happy. Some foreign journeys or foreign transactions will make you happy. You will enjoy all around success. You will enjoy a lot of comforts. Your seniors are satisfied from your performance. From 25th of Jan to 27th of Jan 2021, you are not feeling comfortable. You are feeling very low and down. But after 27th of Jan, like when you enter in 28th of January 2021, you will feel much relaxed and comfort. Some unexpected monetary gains will knock you. You will enjoy all around success. Some new business partner will enter in your life, or you may invest your money in stock market or real estate. But you need to be careful because Jupiter Saturn is combust in your 9th house. 9th house is a house in Kal Purush Kundli, is a Jupiter house. So Jupiter transit in your 9th house will give you a lot of fruitful opportunities. And your ascendant Lord transit in 9th house with Jupiter, Saturn and Sun. This is the ultimate week for you. Taurus, you will be sky high, you will be rock. You will enjoy all around success. Your old dreams and desires will be fulfilled if you try to put your 100% efforts. Taurus, you just need to perform your best at your workplace. You will be another height of success. From 28th of Jan 2021 to 31st of Jan 2021, you will enjoy a lot of comforts. Your seniors will support you. They will appreciate your efforts at your workplace. Your source of earning will develop. You will earn money from multiple sources of earning. This is the time when your good fortune is in your favor and you will enjoy a lot of success. If you feel some little bit slow down in January, or if you feel some work pressure in January, after 28th of Jan, you will be on another height of success. You will feel much relaxed, comfort, better, and enjoy with your family and friend, and you will earn a lot of money. Good fortune is in your favor. You must go for some charity after 28th of January 2021 because four major planet transit in your Navam Bhav, in your 9th house, which is a house of your religion, a house of your long distance journeys. Taurus, you need to perform your best. You will be another height of success. You will achieve lot of milestone. This whole year 2021 will be ultimate for you. And I'm talking about weekend prediction from 25th of Jan to 31st of January 2021. You will enjoy a lot of monetary gains. Some unexpected money will knock you. If you are interested to invest your money, this is the right time. You will get very good opportunities to investing your money. Taurus, you just need to perform your best at your workplace. Stay positive, stay happy. You will be rock because Jupiter, Saturn, Venus, your ascendant Lord, transit in your 9th house, in your Bhagya ke house, yani Bhagya ke ghar mein. So now I'm going to talk about Gemini ascendants. Gemini ascendants, you need to be careful. This is not very productive week for you. There is no doubt Mars is transit in your 11th house. You will feel little bit better in the terms of monetary. Some unexpected money will knock you. There is no doubt, but that is not as per your expectation. Jupiter, Saturn is combust in your 8th house. You need to be careful about your health. You need to be careful while talking with your elders. Try to give respect to your parents. Don't show your ego and attitude in front of your family and friends or your elders. Blessings of your father will be a biggest game changer for you, Gemini. If you take blessings from your father's side, you will shine like a sun. And if you be a part of any arguments with your family, with your father or with your mother, you will definitely involve in any type of mental stress or any type of financial crisis. Gemini, this whole year is not very productive for you because the major planet is in your 8th house. All major energies of the good planet is in your Ashtam Bhav. You need to be careful about your health. Your secret part of your body will be affected. Stomach related trouble is there. You are not feeling comfortable. You are feeling very less energy. You are feeling very less energy. You are not in a comfort zone because Jupiter, Saturn, Venus, Sun transit in your Ashtam Bhav, 8th house. Must go for some medical charity. Must visit cremation ground and donate some money as a charity at cremation ground on Wednesday and Saturday. Must perform this remedy. Don't try to avoid this remedy. Otherwise, you will be a part of any problem. If you're finding a job, this is not a right time. If you are investing your money somewhere, don't invest your money anywhere because this is not a right time. You need to put your efforts, do hard work, and keep faith on yourself and God. You will definitely on the right track, but you need to perform your best. Thank you for watching my channel. Thank you for watching my video. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam, Jai Hind.